My name is Gerald. I'm an ART Level 1 practitioner, specializing in full body and in nerves. I started out freelancing at Ziglag Fitness. Aldrin noticed that I was curious about it and he asked me if I would like to learn. It's been over a year since then and this is where I am now. Why I decided to do it? Because it was a very quick and efficient way of relieving pain almost instantaneously. Also how efficient he was at finding the problem spots. My approach will depend primarily on how many questions I can eliminate based on their lifestyle, based on their occupation. The more I can eliminate, the more I can narrow down how to resolve their existing issues. There'll be people who come in with actual medical diagnosis from doctors. For instance, someone who has maybe a tennis elbow or golfer's elbow, what muscles are restricted or injured or inflamed. But for people who come in with absolutely no clue what they're suffering from, we can look at some telltale signs and some telltale symptoms, narrow down what it could possibly be. It may not even be a muscular issue, maybe even be a nerve issue. I specialize mostly in upper body, trigger finger for instance, carpal tunnel, tennis golfer's elbow, shoulder impingements, tension in the neck. I also help relieve lower back issues as well as plantar fasciitis. Most of these issues are very common in this modern day and age because people spend a bit too much time sitting at their desks, whether they are Grab drivers, taxi drivers. People just sit down too much. It just makes logical sense to get good at these because these are the things that I will have to deal with on a daily basis. The kind of clients that will come and visit me it can be a mix of people who exercise, it can be a mix of people who don't exercise. But the most rewarding part of my job, when clients come to me saying that, hey Gerald, I managed to do this, hey Gerald, I hit this target, it's very encouraging to see when people actually take you seriously and see them actually take ownership of their own lives. If you'd like to get started on ART or you prefer to work with someone who can explain things clearly or has a gentler approach, you can book a session with me through our website.